Hello everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Discord update failed loop Windows 11. So it is a really popular issue and we have a perfect solution for you guys, so make sure to stick till the end of this video so you do not miss a single step. And by the way, we have a link in the description of this video using which you can now support to our channel by simply donating. So if you do that, that is going to be a huge support for us. Alright, so the very first thing is you are going to be ensuring that Discord server is online. So make sure to head over to their official site, which is going to be dedicated to check the server page, and you can head over to there and check if the Discord is online and its server is working perfectly fine. And if that's not the issue, another thing is that is recommended to check is your ISP. So you basically your internet service provider should be working perfectly fine, and you should not be having any troubles with your internet connection. So make sure you have a good active connection up and running. After that, you're going to be we have another fix that you can run Discord as an administrator. So it is a quite light fix. And or finally, if nothing seems to be working around, make sure you just simply uninstall your Discord and reinstall it. And also make sure to turn it off its auto turn on when the Windows is you simply turn on your PC and you log into your Windows, and it should not automatically turn on. Make sure to switch that feature off. And yeah, these are some of the fixes that you can try, and make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.